What's up guys, Matt here, and I figured I would just hop on and basically make a video that I wish I had when looking into buying this Sweetnight king size mattress. I got the 12-inch version and I needed a mattress that could fit under this kind of brutal corner stairway. So I knew I'd probably have to get a mattress in a box, and I came across this one and it seemed like a great fit, and I saw that it was reversible, so there's a different firmness depending on which side you have the mattress. So I was able to get it up the corner of the stairs because it is a very reasonably sized box. I did also want to show you the dimensions of the packaging so you know what to expect. As you can see, it's just under 42 inches high, about 19 inches wide, about 20 inches thick. So that's roughly what you can expect. 42 by 19 by 20. It is heavy. I mean, it's a king size mattress jam-packed into the box, way smaller than actually having to load a full mattress. So let's open it up, get it on the bed, and check it out. Here's what it looks like out of the box. Let's get this rolled on the bed. So in the box is the mattress itself, all vacuum sealed in the bag, and then it did come with this instruction book as well as an opener to, safely get the plastic off without actually damaging the mattress, which is nice. And then we've got our user manual. So according to the instructions, unbox it, lay it on its side to get it out. Then you position it on the bed, how it's supposed to be. So I still got to do that. And then step 3, unwrap it using this tool that came with it, and then expand. And it does recommend that you wait 72 hours to sleep on it. I did a ton of research into buying this too. I wanted to make sure I'm doing everything right, and I'm just gonna share a few of the things I learned that I think are really important. I didn't know this was a thing of rotating your mattress regularly. They recommend to flip it every 2 weeks, and then after that, every 3 months. I had no idea that was a thing, and that's a way to get a lot more life out of your mattress. So now for step 3, let's unwrap it using this tool, and then we'll lay it out to expand. So I unpacked the mattress and rolled it up, and then realized I had it upside down for the way that I wanted it. I wanted the softer white side upward, so I flipped it over, which was a little more difficult when it was fully expanded king size, but got it done. And then laid it down flat to begin the expansion process and let it be for 72 hours. All right, so it is all set up here. The logo, the colors and everything on the side look great. The top layer is considered medium soft, and the bottom layer, if you did want to flip it, is considered medium firmness. And the dimensions are 80 inches long, 76 wide, and 12 inches thick for this one. So I wanted to also kind of show you what to expect as for laying on this, like how much it dips. And as you can see, it really absorbs shock, and it's super plushy and comfortable, especially the more surface area you cover. So I'm really impressed with this. That's all for now. Catch you on the next one.